Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to insert a picture into Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I actually have a picture on my desktop here, and if I try and drag it over, it actually will not paste into the Excel file. So in order to resolve this, it's going to be pretty simple. Just going to go up and left click on the Insert tab up at the top, and then left click on Pictures. Then you want to navigate over to the picture, so it's on my desktop here. It's a valid JPEG file, so I'm going to insert it. I'm going to just shrink it down a little bit so we can fit it clearer on the screen. So now there's different things you can actually play around with the image. So if you actually right click on it and then left click on Format Picture, you'd have the ability to add shadows to the picture as well. So if you wanted to give it an appearance on the back, again, really depends on what kind of picture you're trying to add. You can change the transparency of the image as well. So definitely it's a lot of stuff you can play around with here. Don't really want to go too much into it, just want to show you guys how to actually insert the image. And that should hopefully have been about it for what you guys are looking for out of this tutorial. And like I am showing you guys right now, there's definitely a lot of cool stuff you can play around with it. But again, that's not really why you guys probably came to this video. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.